guys, welcome back to Baking with Rahaf. Today we'll be making chocolate chip cookies. Now let's start baking. You need two teaspoons of vanilla extract and baking soda, or you can use baking powder. 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of sugar. You can use 350 grams or 2 cups or the whole bag, and 2 large eggs. Now put the 2 cups of butter, the softened butter, into the mixer, and now mix it.
Yeah.
So after it's soft and creamy and pale, now you can add the brown sugar. Now we're gonna add the brown sugar. Now you can mix it. Now the butter and the brown sugar have well combined. We're gonna put the granulated sugar. Now we're gonna add the eggs, but make sure you add one by one. Slowly add another one. Now we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract into the bowl. Then mix it.
Yeah.
2 tablespoons of baking powder, and then add a pinch of salt. Now you can add 1 tablespoon of powdered milk. I prefer it, so this is just optional. Now you can start mixing it. Now we're going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Well, now mix it until it's combined. Make sure you save some chocolate chips for the end. Now we're going to put it into the mixing. Now we're going to put these into the mixing bowl. And put all of it, okay? And now mix it. Oh, it's hard. We'll now grab 1 tablespoon and make sure your hands are wet, Or if it's not wet, it will be stuck in your hands. And now keep repeating the step until you run out of dough. Remember the chocolate chips we saved? Now we're gonna put them on each chocolate chip. Which put 3. Or how many you want. That looks like a snowman. Now for the last one. I should call him a name. So preheat the oven for 350 and these should take 10 to 12 minutes. And not every oven's the same, so you should check them once in every while. So before you take them out the oven, make sure the bottom is crispy golden. The aroma smells delicious. And guess what, guys? I've named my chocolate chip names. The first one is Lucy, or should I say Queen Lucy. And her servants are called Felicia and Samantha. And her guards are Sven and Sebastian. Now we know the sadness becomes, but this deliciousness cannot keep living forever. So I gotta eat them. But the first one we gotta eat is the Queen Lucy. Oh, that is good. Oh. It's chewy, guys. It's chewy. I love it in the inside. This is gotta be my favorite cookie from now on. Oops. I'm sorry, oatmeal cookies. You gotta get out. This one is the best. Chewy. Queen Lucy, you're the best chocolate chip. Please, I want you to try these. They are chewy, delectable, and amazing. And please name your chocolate chip names. They're really important. Chocolate chips. Thank you for watching Bacon with Rahaf. If you want some more Bacon with Rahaf, please give us a like and a subscribe. Bye!